Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language of your seller dashboard. Whether you're more comfortable using a different language or managing a global team, changing your dashboard language can help you navigate the platform more effectively. So, let's dive in. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account by entering your credentials as usual. You'll notice a small globe icon or a language code, such as EN for English, at the top right corner adjacent to the setting gear icon. This is your language settings icon. Click or hover on this icon and you'll see a drop-down menu with a list of available languages that you can switch to. Here, English is my default language. From this drop-down menu, select the language you want to use for your Seller Central dashboard. For example, if you want to change it to Portuguese, select Portuguese from the list. Once you've selected your preferred language, the page will automatically refresh and you'll see the seller dashboard in the language you chose, options, and texts in the new language, and that's it. You've just learned how to change your seller dashboard language in Amazon Seller Central. This can make managing your account easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get notified of our latest tutorials.